Onshape provides robust collaboration methods you can leverage when working with simulations. This video discusses working on multiple simulations at once, view-only user capabilities, simulations in a publication, and capturing simulations with comments. With Onshape's cloud architecture, users are able to work on multiple simulations across numerous documents without forfeiting momentum on any project. With multiple documents open, there can be as many active simulation workstreams as are necessary. Additionally, within the same document, you or a colleague with edit permissions to the document can work on design changes in the part studio while the assembly simulation shows results in step with those design changes. Users with view-only access also benefit from Onshape's collaborative simulation experience. This applies to professional and enterprise users, including enterprise light users who have view-only access to the document. View-only users do not have edit permissions, so they lack access to the simulation panel or the ability to define a simulation. However, view-only users can switch between simulations and show results via the simulation field. This includes viewing the 5 different result options, showing deformation, toggling animation, adjusting the deformation scale, and dynamically viewing local results in the graphics area. Users with comment permissions are able to read and write comments in the document. This includes creating markups with the simulation results shown in the graphics area. This is a great way to document simulation feedback and communicate design changes. Publications are a great resource for compiling data in one location and providing additional means of documentation with publication notes. When a publication has an assembly tab with simulations, the result is that of view-only user access. The simulation field is accessible where the user can switch between simulations and show results. Note that you are restricted to using the simulation setup from the version or release of the assembly that was added to the publication. For more information about publications, check out the Sharing and Collaboration course in the Learning Center. Leverage Onshape's collaboration methods to fully inspect simulation results and share the design with your team.